Well, dear friends, in today's class, let us discuss about the types of culture. Yes, in last class we have already discussed about that. What is culture? Afterwards, what are the definitions of culture and how the word culture is derived? Is it? In today's class, let us discuss about that. What are the types of culture? Yes, culture is divided into material culture and non-material culture. Yes, material culture includes two objects which are visible to eyes. Is called the material culture. In a sense, material culture and non-material culture. Two types of culture is there. Material culture means what? Which are the visible things is called the material culture. Material culture. For example, mobile, chalk piece, board. Is it? Chair, fan. These are all called visible. Is it? So we can see this. Is it? We can see this. So these are all called the material culture. But non-material culture includes that thoughts, ideas, beliefs, values. These are including in the non-material culture. Material culture is the man-made. This non-material culture is also non-made. But non-material culture is not visible. But here material culture is visible. So here the sociologist is called the Akbar. He is divide the culture into the two parts, that is material culture and non-material culture. Material culture means which are the objects are available, which are the objects are visible to eyes. It is called the material culture. These are the tools. These are the tools we can see, we can touch. This is called the material culture. Then material culture is a man-made. Then we can see that it is the man is made this by the natural resources. Which are the available resources? He made the raw material into the finishing goods. Is called the material culture. What is material culture? Which are converted from the natural, in a sense, raw materials to what it is finishing goods is called the non-material culture. But it is the man made this raw material into the finishing goods is called the material culture. This type of the material culture we can see it gets the faster growth, faster change also. Because of tendencies change day by day, no? So our dressing sense, afterwards the style of construction of building, then afterwards the mobile phones and designs of the fans, the structure of the fans, afterwards the computers. So all things, these are all man-made by the raw material into the finishing goods. But these are all getting the changes by day. So we call that this is the material culture. This material culture is the man-made. Then afterwards it gets the faster change. It is the civilized material culture we can see here. Example for the material culture is house, building, bridge, road, dam, machines and production centers, and afterwards industries, computer and technology, all including in this material culture. Similarly here, once again, material culture means what? Which are the visible tools? Those are considered as the material culture. Likewise, the table, chair, bus, house. These are all visible things. So this is called the material culture. What is the non-material culture? Here non-material culture includes the traditions. This is also man-made. What is non-material culture is also man-made. So it includes the traditions, beliefs, rituals, customs, moral values, ideals, then arts, literature, religion, language. These are all called what is non-material culture. These are all not visible, We are all talking some language, but language is visible? No, we understanding that, we can write that, but it is not visible to us, Similarly, religion, we are all practice very much religions, So I belong to Hindu and someone is Muslim, someone is Christian, Buddhist, Christianism, So we belong to different type of the religions, but religions is visible? No, we are all practicing that. We cannot touch that, but it is the we can feel that, then afterwards we are practicing that, So this is called the non-material. This is called the non-material culture. Understand this? What is material culture or visual? What are the differentiation between the material culture and non-material culture? Material culture includes the house, buildings, bridge, road, dam, machines and etc. Non-material culture is including to the traditions, beliefs, rituals, ideals, customs and etc. Is it? Material culture is also man-made, non-material culture is also man-made. Material culture is the tool, raw material converting into the finishing goods, but it is belongs to the beliefs, rituals and customs. We can feel that. Is it? These are all the differentiation between the material culture and non-material culture according to the Akbar. Understand this? Yes, here we can see material culture gets the faster change, faster development and faster change. But non-material culture is not getting the faster change. Little bit change it accept that, afterwards it is not fastly get the changes. In a sense, it is not getting the faster change. See, our beliefs and rituals, our customs, moral, ideals, we can getting change very fastly? No. Is it? Because of it is our life pattern, lifestyle. Is it? So, this is all about the types of culture. Yes, let us move for the next point, that is the features of culture. Is it? When we saw the apple, afterwards we can explain that how is the apple red in color, sweet in taste. Is it? When we cut the apple middle, we can feel like the heart. Is it? When we cut the 4 pieces, after we feel that like the kidney. Is it? Afterwards, what is it? Is a very healthy. Is it? So we can see the many more features of the apple. Likewise, here the culture is also have some more features. Is it? So when we understood the features, afterward only we can understand clearly about the what is culture. Is it? Yes, so that is the culture is abstract. Is it? Culture is abstract. It is not visible. Abstract means what it is? Not visible. Yes, show your culture means how can we show to the others? Is possible to show this is the culture? No, this is the chalk piece. Is it? So, it is abstract. It is not visible. Understand this. Then afterwards, it is a life pattern. What is culture? Is the life pattern of the people. Culture is the lifestyle of the people. Is it? So, we can not visible this. We can feel this only. Is it? So, what it is? Culture is the abstract. Okay, it is the life pattern. All are practicing this. Is it? Then culture is the social. Already in last class I explained that human being is not the social being, is also cultural being. Is where the societies exist, there we can see this type of the culture. Is it? Where the societies are exist, there culture is there. It is we can see the society have the both material and non-material culture. So here the culture is social. Is it? Then afterwards we can share this in the society. Likewise the food, dressing sense, is it? Our practices, our ideas, art, all we are sharing with the society. So culture is social. It is exist in the social only. If any animals have culture? No. Human being only have the culture. So the culture makes the human being is separate from the animals. Is it? It differ the human being by animals. Yes, the culture is learned. Yes, culture is not by birth. Is it? We are all not getting the culture by birth. Is it? Culture we learned what we learned after the birth. Is it? So, by birth we all know that how to eat, how to stand, how to talk, how to behave. Is it? No, we don't know about all this, and we are all not know about the values, customs, traditions, ideals. Is it? We don't know about that, but it is the learned. Human being in the social being, he is living in the society, so he learned the many more things. So this what is culture has transformed one generation to another generation. Through that we get the culture. Yes, culture by the socialization. Is it? We learn the culture by the socialization. First child is start to learn in the family. So family, it gives the socialization to the children. Is it? After it moves to the school, and by the school also it gets the socialization by interaction with the other peoples in the society and family and in the school. Through that we are all earning the knowledge how to live in the society. So it is the learned. It is not by but by the interaction with the others, by the by the socialization we are all getting this culture. Is it? So in the family, firstly we learn about that how to think, how to eat, how to walk, how to behave, how to behave with the other in society. Is it? So these things we are learn in the school. We learn some knowledge. Is it? With the interaction of the friends and society we learn a more thing. Is it? It is not by birth. With the environment creates the good culture. If we are in the good environment, we get the good culture. If we are in the bad environment, we are getting the very bad culture. Understand this? As then next is the culture means coexistence. Is it? Culture means it is the coexistence. Then it shares the many things like the ideals, traditions, experience is one generation to the another generation. So it is the coexistence. It generates to the what is the culture is transformed to one generation to another generation. Is it? So it is the coexistence. Then culture is continuous. Is culture never stop in a particular period. Is it? It continuously move because of some culture we are learned from our ancestors. Is it? So it is generate to one generation to another generation. Is it? Similarly, ideas, values, beliefs, rituals. Is it? These are all transfer from the one generation to another generation, a person to another person. Is it? So it is continuous. It is never stop. Especially the material culture gets a faster change. Is it? But here the non-material culture is not getting the faster change. It a little bit with the change. It is continuously moving. Never stop. Then next is the culture. Culture is diverse. Is culture is diverse means it is different in the places. Is it? We can see culture is different from one society to another society. As here we can see that culture is different from the urban society to tribal society. Is it? And rural society to tribal society, rural society to urban society. Is it? It is a change to one society to another society. Even we can see that in our state, North Karnataka culture is different from the South Karnataka, and South Karnataka culture is different from the North Karnataka. We can see that. Then what we can see here, the culture is different to one person to another person also. In a society, the culture is changed. Is it? So one family to another family, and culture is changed to one person to another person in a family, in a society. Understand? So it is the diverse. In a sense, it is a different in person to person, place to place, society to society. Understand? This is all the features of culture.